welcome to Friend Connector Chrome extension tutorial. My name is Ankita and today I will be giving you guys a brief overview about this new extension that we built and how you can set it up to connect with new people over Facebook. So I think you all are aware of the fact that people are using Facebook for their business nowadays, and it's really a trend. And so if you really want to use Facebook as a channel for your business, you should be always networking with people. And trust me on this, you don't want to do it manually. You don't want to just go to their profile and then send them request and want to connect with them. And that's where Friend Connector comes into the picture, where you can go into any groups or any of your friends' friend list. You can give your keyword. You can give by any, like search by any keywords, like if you want to connect with particular people, like maybe which are like founders or business owner or affiliate marketers, and you just want to connect with them. So you just can search by the keywords and run the extension, and then it will just let it do its work, and it will be starting like to add those people, like sending them friend request. And then if after when they add back, you might provide some value. You might want to sell them something, or you might want to like provide them some value and grow your business. So let me show you how you can set it up. It's very easy and simple to use. So let me show you how, okay? So now when you know that what is Friend Connector, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add to your Chrome browser, and then you can start using it, okay? So you can just go to the Chrome Web Store and search by the Friend Connector, and then you will be getting this page where you will be able to add this to your Chrome. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it and add the extension to my Chrome browser, and as you can see, it's been added. Awesome. So if it's not a free extension, so it's a paid extension. So if you have paid for it, you can just go to any group. Like I am already in this group. It's my Facebook, and I'm targeting this group, CEO Movement Community, where I want to target particular people like CEOs or co-founders or business owners, because those are my kind of people that I want to connect with. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this icon. That, as you can see, it's already been added, and I'm gonna give my email ID to log in. Okay, and I am good. I'm good to go. So now you can see this little pop-up on your right side when you click the icon, and you see all these options. So what is lookup interval? It's basically the interval between sending each request. So if I give 5 seconds, so it will take 5 seconds between sending each request. So I always suggest you to give you some interval. Maybe it's minimum 5 seconds. At least give some like 15 seconds or 30 seconds, so that Facebook, if you are sending requests like massive requests to 500 or 1,000 people, so I would suggest you to give some kind of interval, so that Facebook doesn't suspect that some kind of suspicious or like suspicious activity is going on. So I'm going to go with 5 seconds interval, and then there is request limit. So basically, if you select limited and you want to send maybe 200, like you want to send request to 200 people. So this group, as you can see, it almost has like almost 9K of members, like 9K members, and maybe I want to send a request to 1,000 people. So I can just give that number of requests, that if I want to like send only 1,000 people. And so I can select infinite as well, if I don't want to limit myself from sending requests. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Like I'm gonna go select infinite. And then there comes the resume from last search. So this was the recently implemented feature. So basically, if you're on this member page and you started the script, like you ran the extension, and maybe it sent out for 500 people, like you sent out to 500 people, and you want to stop it. So you can stop it anytime, as you can see. So you want to stop it, and then you come next time, and then you want to start from 501 or 530 or 600. So you can just do that just by clicking on yes. and then give the index number, give the last search numbers position. So basically if it was 200 or 300 or 400, so just give 401 and then it will, and then run it and it will start from 401, that 401th position. Okay, so I haven't ran this extension yet, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. So gonna just go with the no option, and then here comes the keyword section. So this is really useful. Okay, so if you really want to target, like if you are into, you know, like software development, if you are a software development company, you really want to target maybe CEOs or other business owners, or maybe marketers. If you are doing marketing, so if you want to target marketers or affiliate marketers, so you can give those keywords, and if they have those kind of like those keywords as their designation, so it will basically match with those keywords, and it gets matched, then it will send like request to those people. Okay, so if I give, suppose if I give maybe owner, CEO, founder, CEO, and let's see what else I can give. Most of the people don't have anything, but if they have, remember, if they have anything in their designation, so, and if it matches with our keywords, then it will send that request. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead with that administrator maybe. Okay, and maybe just run it, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so that's key. As you can see, this little notification that task started and running, and these people already, I have, like before I have used this extension for, so these people were like, the friend request was sent to these people, and these people are already my friends, so it's not gonna send them request. So let's see. As because it's not finding that keywords that I have given, so it's just going one after another, and it's saying that it's not finding the keywords, so it's not sending any request out. So I can just remove I can just stop it. Okay, just for you guys' sake, I can just stop it and remove my keywords, and then you can see how it works. So I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and maybe this time I'm gonna start from the 18th, because it already gone through this like first 17 people that were not in my friend list. So I'm just going to give from start. I wanted to start from 18th position. So as we'll see that it will start from Brian Mills. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. And as you can see, it started from Brian Mills, and it will see now it sent the request out, friend request sent, because I didn't give any keyword, and it's just sending, like it's whoever it's finding, it's sending them the request. So it will add one after another, and it will just, like, the process will go on. So now you can understand that how useful it could be. Yesterday only I just ran this extension, and I started from like 700 people, and then right now I have over 2,000 friends. So you can understand that how useful this tool could be. Because if you really want to, I use Facebook for my business. So if you really want to use Facebook for your business, and you want to connect people, you want to network with them, so you obviously need to add people in your list, and then maybe provide them some value, or try to sell them something, right? So for that reason, we built this extension, and we recently implemented the feature where you'll be able to do the same process from your friend list as well, like from your friend's friend list as well. So let me go ahead and show you like what you can do. So I'm just going to stop it right now. So basically, if you go to your friend list and go to your friends, and then any of your friends, you can choose any of your friends if their friend lists are open to public. So I'm gonna go ahead and with John, and so if you see that yes his friend list is open to public, so you can run this extension again here, and basically it will just go ahead and target all those people who are not in my friends from his list. It will target all those people and send them the request out. So I can just go ahead and do the same process, yes, no, and then maybe resume from obviously no, and then give any keywords, and then just run the extensions. So that's how it works. And remember one thing, that if you are in any group and it's a like if you are not in any group and you still want to target those people, like target the group people, so it has to be a public group. Okay, it has to be a public group. If it's a private or closed group and you are not in that group, so obviously you cannot access their member list, so this extension won't work. So if it's a public group, then it's fine. If it's not, then you have to be a member in that group to be able to use this extension to send a request to those people, like to the other members. Okay, so there will be so many new features that will be added over in this coming few weeks, and we will update you on that. So for now, you can use this extension to connect with the people that you want to, and when they add you back, you can use this connection as you want to. So I hope you enjoy that training, and if you have any issues or any queries, you can always post, or like you can always reach out to me, or you can always post it to the group, and someone from our team or someone like me with the CID will be able to help you with that. So that's it. That's all about the Friend Connector extension. So now I'm going to sign out.